A problem with IKEA furniture and most flat pack furniture is that after you assemble it, after a while, it begins to get weak. Every time you move it, the joints get weak. Here's a tip that you can use to make your furniture last a little bit longer. Take a little wood glue, put it onto the dowels, place those guys in there, and then take and run a bead of glue along this edge here. It doesn't matter if you get it in the hole, that's okay. In fact, you want a little bit into the dowel hole. Then tighten up like you would normally do. See all the excess squeeze out of there. Then you just wipe that off with a paper towel. See all that excess over there, wipe that off. And then I come back again with a damp towel to wipe off more of the excess. What you'll find is that if you do this, just by adding wood glue, it will tighten up the joints. Your furniture will last a lot longer. It'll hold up a lot better whenever you move it as well.